Hi, are you an affiliate marketer, a speaker, an author, a coach, a doctor, a chiropractor, someone who even sells mattresses? Anybody who sells products or services on or offline, even celebrities, and people who endorse or advertise. Well, if you are, then you need to sit back and listen to this for a minute because this applies to you. In October, the Federal Trade Commission released a notice regarding how they're changing the laws for advertising, marketing, endorsing, and they are actually going into effect on December 1st, 2009. Well, there's been a lot of stuff all over the internet about this, and I finally just had it and had to bring the reality to y'all because there is a lot of inaccurate information that's happening out there. Now, just by way of background, let me tell you about me. I am actually a very seasoned litigator. I've practiced law for over 15 years. I was a litigator for over 10, and I was at one of the most aggressive law firms in Los Angeles. I have never lost a litigated case that I actually took to jury. Even when I admitted liability with one of my clients, we still got a 0 verdict back from the jury. So I know what I'm talking about with regard to defending cases and how things actually in reality turn out rather than in theory. There's a lot of people out there talking about these regulations when you read them, it's just not true. So, for example, we've got attorneys out there that have never seen the inside of a courtroom actually giving some opinions on this. Not that they're all inaccurate, but that's a problem. Also, when I heard this pimple-faced little blogger sit and say that these aren't really laws and not really applicable, and don't worry, just be transparent or just tell the truth and you'll be fine, I finally had it. Basically, truth is not a defense in this particular situation, and transparency is not enough either. There's much more to this. You can be subject to fines of thousands and thousands of dollars, defense costs of tens of thousands of dollars. Even defending an investigation can put you and your family and your company all in jeopardy. So I want you to be on this free webinar that I'm giving. Now, I'm not going to be your attorney. You're going to have to consult your own attorney, but I promise you this will clear up a lot of different vague things that are going out there and a lot of misconceptions that are out there. So be on this free webinar. If you have a list, mail it to your list. If you have friends or relatives who sell things on or offline, mail this to them because I want them to be on this webinar. Tweet it out because Twitter, Facebook, all of you people are affected by this law as well. So go ahead, register for the webinar, get this out to as many people as you can, and I'll see you on the webinar. Also submit any questions you have, and I'll try to get to as many as I can. Hope this helps. See you then.